Okay, so for problem number 6, you should have wrote down the formula that they gave you. And you should have seen that it's asking for you to find G. So we're going to solve for G. And if you remember that when we're solving for G, you're doing the opposite of what's happening to G. Right? So tell me what's G, what's happening to G right here. It's multiplying by M and H. So it is multiplying by M and H. So what are you going to do? The opposite is to divide by MH. So you're going to divide by MH and divide over here by MH. So you can cancel the M, cancel the H. So write down, your answer is G equals P divided by MH. So everybody should have gotten H as your answer. Let's go look at problem number 7. Problem number 7 is just subtracting, but you need to remember that this is subtracting everything. So pretend like this is here. You're distributing. Don't just subtract the 6x. We have to distribute the -1 to everything. So if you rewrite it, 2x squared plus 6x plus 5 minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 5, you need to remember that this is going to everything inside the parentheses. So you need to go ahead and change all those signs and then start combining like terms. So what happens to this 6x? It becomes a negative 6x squared. What happens to the 3x? Minus 3x. And the 5? Minus 5. Everything else, you bring it down. So it's 2x squared plus 6x plus 5. And then we combine like terms. So let's start with the highest degree. 2x squared minus 6x squared. What did you guys get? Negative 4x squared. And then we're going to do 6x minus 3x, positive 3x. And then what about these two? They cancel out. It gives you 0. So you don't even have to write it down. You can cancel the 5 and the negative 5. So your answer is C. Okay? You guys need to do the same thing for problem number 8. Okay, so for problem number 8, the difference between this one and last one is that now it tells you that you are subtracting this from this. So which one is going to go first? This one right here, 9x squared plus 3x minus 4 minus 5x squared minus 7x minus 6, because it says that you're taking it away from this one right here. So when you write it, you're writing down 9x squared plus 3x minus 4 first, minus, because you're taking it away from that, 5x squared minus 7x minus 6. And you still have to distribute the negative. So go ahead and finish that one up. Pause the video and see if you get the correct answer, the same answer we did. So when you distribute the negative, what happens? The 5 becomes a negative 5x squared. So the next one becomes a positive 7x because it was a minus. And the last one also becomes a positive. So all the signs changed in there. And the front one, the front polynomial just comes down. So that's 9x squared plus 3x minus 4. Combine like terms. 9x squared minus 5x squared gives you 4x squared. 3x plus 7x gives you 10x. And -4 plus 6, positive 2. So your answer is 8.